You are now tuned into the Crazy Whip Edition. Put it. Yo, you already know what time it is, man. Another episode of Micheal, man. Micheal, man. It's a pretty day neighborhood, man. Y'all already know, man. I think go check out Brown Coat Gang, you know what I'm saying? See what we can work out. You know what I'm saying? I might call them out, man. I might try a truck too. Even though we light. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, me and Cuz will have fun, man. You know what I'm saying? When the race time, it go time. But that we have fun, man. Some of y'all don't know about. But anyway, man. Yeah, we race each other, see where our cars at. And stuff like that, man. And try to have fun. I said, I'm finna go check out that the truck I ain't never seen before. You know what I'm saying? I ain't know what time I'm gonna get up there, but anyway, man. Then I got a bit in the handle. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned. Man, this is a clean bag, boy.
Ain't much to it.
Man, it's not cool.
Beat up work truck.
And I'm in two cars too, man. I know what I see. Ooh. I'm a YouTuber, man.
YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
You buddies with J. Malcolm by chat?
My cousin.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I like him.
Yeah, that's my cousin, man. I be on all his stuff too, man. Ain't it bad but clean, man.
After I get my door fixed, I'm gonna give Jay a ride in and see if he wants to record it.
Yeah, they bad,
You know, we did that Mustang the other day.
Yeah.
They ought to be pretty close.
Ooh, oh, they make that much power?
About 1,000.
Ooh.
Lamar Wall, the race engine, built the motors, 408 stroker. Studded top, studded bottom, all forwards, everything.
Man. You too. Man, hey, stop by, look at the S10. Brown Coat Gang S10, man. Ooh. That bad boy there. Bad boy pretty in person. Bad boy pretty in person, man. Cause I don't even know what I'm doing out here, but ooh. Brown Coat Gang. Bad boy look black, but it ain't even black, y'all. It ain't even black. Like I know y'all seen on his channel. See that bad boy gold. Still got gold in and everything. So you know when the sun hit it. When the sun hit it, you know what I'm saying, you know, you're gonna be right. Oh, I know. You can put a bed cover on the thing too. Don't know some that. Brown Coat got a bed cover on it now. Yeah, I might try them in that in Micheal, man. Truck light, but I still might try them. But he might have to give me some. So I don't know. Hey, Cozo, what you think about the back tire and the hit?
Ooh.
They get back tire and the hit.
Ooh.
In the truck, man. They get back tire and hit, right?
What's wrong with this man?
Man,
Man said the back time to hit.
man, let me get the hit then.
I give you back time to hit in the Camaro.
No, man, let me get the back tire and hit this.
Man, you have lost your mind, man.
Man, no,
both
man.
of us small block, both of us on motor.
But they, no, man.
Get the head up race.
The weight different.
Hey, man, that ain't your fault.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah, I
look,
see you, man.
Well, I got you on camera. Let me ask you this.
Well,
Hey, man, why you went around them people house, man?
hey, man,
Hey, yo, I laughed so hard
Hey.
at that man video.
hey, they called me out, man. So I got tired of it, man. All that woofing, you know what I'm saying? No, they wasn't gonna do nothing. So
Man.
nobody would say I wasn't showing up. So I seen the comments and stuff, rolled around, came back. See, I didn't see some of it. The video asked for an hour long, so I cut it. So
You cut some of it?
yeah, I might post that part up. I don't want to embarrass nobody, but I put that part up, man.
Man, when I tell y'all, I laughed so hard at that man video. I said, this man crazy. Then he put it y'all one long clip. Whoa. If y'all ain't saw it, y'all gotta go with his vlog.
But yeah, man, y'all gotta check that truck out, man. That bad boy, he look good, boy. J Hall did him.
Cause over there taking the truck out.
J Hall did that thing right there, man.
I mean, eating time, but I know he'll pull
Good.
up. He'll pull up to you.
Make sure y'all go check out the channel, man. And I'm out. Oh yeah, now we back, y'all, we back. But you know what I'm saying, I think I gotta change my springs out too, man. I'm changing my springs out. You know what I'm saying, since I got, you know what I'm saying, new shocks and stuff. That Papa stop all that stuff doing. Probably making another video of that net video, stuff like that, but you gotta make this stuff doing that. But and to the person in the comment, man, say bigger tire, man. I go as far as 8-inch tire is a regular tire. Then plus, this right here is a 15 by 8. I told you I do not want no, like I said, excuse my Latinos and Mexicans. I don't want to ride with no fat tires on no Cutlass, man. I don't like that look. Just cause y'all like it, I don't like it. You say put some meat on the tire, man. Y'all see me spin up and down the road with the 275s on them. They 28s, not 26 like these little boys got on their car. Well, I ain't gonna say little boy, but some big car got 26 on to make them work. I got 28s on my car and spin all the way down the street, man. For y'all new keep coming on my channel, man. Y'all watch them videos back then, man. So I'm gonna get tired of explaining myself over and over and over, man. Over and over. These are what? 205, 65, 15. 205, 65, 15, man. And like I say, they got grip on it. You see the grip? They just dry ride it. They like, you know what I'm saying? They ain't no good. They just, you know, they been sitting up for a long time, so they ain't gonna produce no, they ain't gonna produce no smoke like everybody else produce smoke with brand new tires. I ain't even get no brand new tires just to spin them off. But when they get clean, you know what I'm saying, I have brand new tires and everything, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. And like I said, man, more content coming on back. I might disappear again. You know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all know when that coming. And I'm out. And oh yeah, a lot of more races coming with Big Mike, man. A lot more races coming with Big Mike in these streets, man. Street car. Then like I say, once we get clean, it's over with. I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna retire Big Mike and bring my drag car out. My real drag car. I know some of y'all waiting on it. I bring my real grille crowd, man. I got Ray cars on Ray Big Mike, man. Got Ray cars on Ray Big Mike. So process on the way. Process on the way, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Tell your mama, grandma, auntie, granddaddy, and I'm out. Why they say I'm bullshit, man? They doing all that capping, man. You see it.